Why should someone call American Restoration over someone else? Not that American Restoration is the greatest in the world. There's all kinds of good companies out there. We pride ourselves, just like they do, in trying to be the best. We're certified, we're trained, we have good quality employees that have had a lot of experience. We also have all the right equipment in order to do the job. Um, we're very conscientious about what we do, and quality is the forefront. Customer service. We want to make sure that when we leave, the client is very happy. We've done a good job. We have minimized expenses because we're not into running the cost up, so the client or the insurance company has to foot the huge bill. We want to make sure that we've got a friend when we leave. American Restoration, we have trained employees that's been doing this for 20 plus years, and it's just something that we do on a daily basis. So typically, we don't see anything that shocks us. So that's kind of neat because you go in and you already have a comfort level on how to deal with it. So being able to put the client at ease, as far as, hey, we can handle this, don't worry, we got it taken care of. There's a lot of that there, and we hope to leave them with the impression that we're professional and that we've got it. We did a good job.